Let me ask you something. Do you dread going to work because of the way someone treats you there? Is it a coworker, a manager, or even just the atmosphere that's gotten hostile, uncomfortable, maybe even toxic? If you nodded even a little, stay with me because this video is for you. Hi, I am Avery, and I'm going to walk you through harassment law in California in a way that's real, simple, and directly useful. No legal fluff, just what you need to know, what to watch for, and what you can do if you're being harassed at work. And look, I'm not just throwing this out there as theory. At Cielo and Voluntas Law Firm, we've helped people all over California fight back against workplace harassment. We speak English and Spanish, so no matter your background, you're heard and understood here. Let's break this down together. Number one, what exactly is workplace harassment? It's not just bad vibes or annoying behavior. In California, harassment becomes illegal when it's tied to who you are. That includes your race, gender identity, religion, age if you're over 40, disability, or where you're from. If someone's targeting you because of any of these, that's not just wrong, it's unlawful. And it doesn't have to happen face to face. Harassment can hit you in DMs, texts, work emails, even off the clock interactions that bleed into your job environment. Sound familiar? Number two, sexual harassment is one of the most reported. Unwanted touching, jokes, or creepy comments. Yeah, those count. And so does any behavior that creates a hostile environment based on gender. Number three, racial harassment. Mocking someone's accent, using slurs, or even showing offensive images. That crosses a serious legal line in California. Number four, disability harassment. Whether it's a physical condition or a mental one, mocking it, excluding someone, or refusing reasonable accommodations is illegal under California law. Number five, religious harassment. If your workplace won't let you take prayer breaks, wear religious attire, or constantly makes fun of your beliefs, that's unlawful. And California takes it seriously. Number six, age based harassment. If you're 40 or older and people keep making boomer jokes or acting like you can't keep up, that's not okay. You're protected under California law. And number seven, national origin harassment. If you're being treated differently because of your accent, your ethnicity, or your background, that's discrimination. Full stop. So now what? Let's talk about action. First, you need to know that California doesn't play when it comes to this stuff. We've got one of the strongest protections in the country thanks to something called FEHA, the Fair Employment and Housing Act. Here's what FEHA requires. Your employer must have a clear anti-harassment policy. They must train their employees. That's mandatory for companies with 5 or more people. And they must provide a way for you to safely report harassment. That's not optional. Also, unlike federal law, California lets you go after the individual who harassed you, not just the company. That means the actual person causing harm can be held accountable. And get this, they can't retaliate against you for speaking up. If you report harassment, support a coworker who did, or even just refuse to laugh along, they cannot demote you, cut your pay, or fire you for it. That's protected under California law. Still with me? Great. Because next up is how to report harassment. Step 1. File an internal complaint. Go to your manager, HR, or whoever your company policy says to report to. Give them the full story, dates, times, screenshots if you have them. Keep records. If your workplace is doing its job, this should trigger an investigation. But if they don't act, or if you don't feel safe going to them, step 2, file a complaint with the CRD, California Civil Rights Department. You can do it online or in writing. They'll investigate, talk to both sides, and may even offer mediation. Step 3. If all else fails and the harassment continues, it's time for legal action. That's where we come in. At Cielo and Voluntas, we specialize in harassment law in California, and we know exactly how to fight these cases. We'll help you build your case, gather the evidence, and take your claim to court if that's what it takes. Let's be real for a second. Harassment messes with your peace of mind. It crushes your confidence. And sometimes it even makes you question your worth. But here's the truth: you deserve a workplace where you feel safe, where you're respected, where no one gets away with treating you like less. And if no one said that to you recently, let me say it now: you're not crazy and you're not alone. Share your story with us at hi@cdvlawfirm.com. We offer free consultation for such cases. We speak both English and Spanish. If this video helped you, share this information with someone you care about. Everyone deserves to know their rights at work. Don't stay silent. If you were harassed, or even if something just doesn't feel right, you have every right to speak up. Remember, the longer you wait, the harder it gets to fight back. Subscribe to Cielo and Voluntas for more clear, honest legal guidance, built for California workers who are ready to stand up for themselves. Thanks for watching.